locked in, ready to repel. See y'all later. What you guys are gonna need is some utility cord equal to or greater than the length of your climbing rope. In this case, it's 90 feet. This is like 150. You need a carabiner, locking, and a hair tie or another piece of string. And I'll show you how to put this together to make a ghost recon kit. All right, what we're gonna do here is take the working end of our climbing rope, take the working end of our utility rope, match the ends, and this is where the hair tie or other piece of string or tape comes together. Like that. And now we're just gonna pair the two together for the whole length. That's gonna take a while. Now that you got this hot mess here of regret, we have to separate the two ropes. They're both equal length now. Once you got your ghost recon kit together, we're gonna hook it up here on the secured anchoring point, a big ass tree. And we're gonna go down, just demonstrate to this little valley here, this little ravine. We're gonna rappel down, show you how the ghost kit works. Alright guys, we're gonna set up first our climbing rope. In order for this ghost recon kit to work, I'm gonna take the working end, I'm gonna do an overhand on a bite, make your loop, do your overhand knot with it, dress it, overhand on a bite. Now we're going to take your carabiner, clip it into there, and then we're going to take our utility cord, which is going to be our retrieval line. You're going to do the same thing. Overhand on a bite, about a 2-inch loop, will do just fine. I'm going to prep this just so it can be uncoiled easily. All right, now they're both ready. We're going to take our climbing rope with our working end and carabiner. We're going to wrap it around the tree stump here, the tree trunk. Take our carabiner, lock it into our working line, and angle this in the direction of our descent. Now we're going to take our utility cord with our working end, the overhand on a bite. And we're going to hook it into the carabiner also. Now we're going to lock the gate. I got our two rope lines here. I'm going to turn it face the angle of descent down into our ravine. I'm going to take our climbing rope and toss it over the ledge. Next, we're going to take our retrieval line, the utility cord, do the same thing, toss it over the ledge into the cliff. Now that you have your climbing rope down into the ravine, you're going to tie into it using a figure-8 rappelling device through the big eyelet, under the small carabiner, through the rope and the small eyelet. We lock it into our rigger's belt. Now we're locked in, ready to rappel. See y'all later. Alright, now that we're at the bottom of the ravine, we're going to disconnect from our system. And do our figure 8 belay device. Get a firm grip on the retrieval line and you're gonna shake the climbing rope like this to break any tension on it on the tree as we pull hard on this. As we do this, the rope is climbing up itself and down to us. And there's our anchor point around the tree. Now if we keep pulling this, it's going to come off of itself as we pull the retrieval line. Once you've pulled and the carabiner comes down to you, you simply pull the tail all the way through, grab the rope itself now, and pull. It is important to make sure the tail end, heading back up the mountain, does not have any knots in it, because the knots will get stuck in branches, rocks, whatnot. Here, I want to make sure this is clean. Keep running your rope. We've successfully ghosted our line. No more line. We can continue down the mountain now. A do-it-yourself ghost recon kit. Hope you enjoyed that one. If you guys like the videos of me teaching stuff, let me know in the comments. I got plenty of other ideas I want to do, but they don't work if you don't watch them. So I just need you guys to let me know what's up. Till next time, catch you later.